In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove suggested words on your iPhone keyboard. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first, let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm talking about that option that offers me some words while I'm typing. So let me show you how it works. I type well, k, and now it offers me to use welcome and some words that I can use after welcome, like welcome back, from your work. So I made the whole sentence just using the suggested words. But if you don't want to see that words right here, you can disable that option. For that, you need to do the following. Open up your settings. Here, tap on General, and there select Keyboard. There you need to turn off predictive, not to predict these words anymore. So now let's check how it works. That menu was disappeared, and now if I write anything, there are no more suggested words right here. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.